Adding a payment method to your Tesla app is essential for paying for supercharging, FSD subscriptions, or even purchasing your Tesla. It's key to fully accessing the Tesla ecosystem. To add a payment method, you'll need a Tesla account, the latest Tesla app on iOS or Android, and a valid credit or debit card. The basic steps involve opening the Tesla app, navigating to Account, selecting Payments and Billing, and adding your payment method with card details. All payment information is secure and encrypted to protect your data. Before adding a payment method to your Tesla app, ensure you meet these key requirements. First, you need an active Tesla account to access the app's payment features. You'll need a compatible smartphone or tablet running iOS or Android with the Tesla app updated to the latest version. A valid credit or debit card is essential. Major cards like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express are supported. Finally, ensure your billing address exactly matches the records held by your card issuer to prevent transaction declines. With these requirements in place, you're ready to proceed with adding your payment method. First, open your Tesla app and tap the menu icon, which is usually 3 lines in the top corner. Next, tap Account, then select Payments and Billing from the menu. You should see an option to add payment method. Tap it to proceed. Now enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and cardholder name. Make sure to double-check for accuracy to avoid errors. Then enter your complete billing address, including street, city, state, and postal code. Optionally, set this card as your default payment method for future transactions. Finally, save and confirm your payment method. The app will verify the details. Tesla uses secure encryption to protect your card data. As part of the process, you might see a small temporary charge around $1 to $5 on your card statement. This is just a verification and will be automatically refunded. You might also receive an SMS or OTP code to verify your card if enabled. This ensures the card is yours and prevents fraud. Having trouble adding your card? The most common issue is an incorrect billing address. Double-check that it exactly matches what's on file with your bank. If the app is glitching, try restarting it. If problems persist, contact Tesla support. They're available 24/7 to help with billing issues. Tesla frequently updates the app to improve functionality and user experience. Recent enhancements include improved syncing across multiple devices, so payment methods added on your phone automatically appear on your Tesla's touchscreen. This seamless integration makes managing payments much more convenient. The payment integration has become even more tightly integrated with Tesla services, such as full self-driving subscriptions. This means you can manage all your Tesla-related payments and subscriptions directly through the app. The future of EV payments is moving towards seamless, one-click experiences that make charging as effortless as fueling a traditional vehicle. Currently, Tesla uses basic credit card entry in the app, but the industry trend is shifting to one-click payments that eliminate manual input entirely. Expect to see expanded integration with popular digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, allowing users to pay with just a tap or scan. Some regions are already offering carbon offset fees during charging, where a portion of the payment funds environmental projects to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. AI will predict optimal charging times and costs, suggesting the best moments to charge based on electricity rates and your driving patterns. Biometric authentication using fingerprints or facial recognition will replace traditional security codes, making payments faster and more secure. Experts consistently praise Tesla's payment system for its intuitive and streamlined flow within the app. Tech analyst John Carmack highlighted Tesla's payment setup as a benchmark for competitors, while Consumer Reports recommends enhanced wallet integrations for improved user experience. User surveys reveal that 78% of Tesla owners actively use the app for payments, with most relying on it for convenient supercharging and other services. The app's design makes adding payments quick and secure, as shown in this interface, where users can complete final payments directly. Adding a card takes less than a minute, and while the system is highly secure with 0 major breaches reported, it's wise to always verify your billing information to prevent any potential issues.